Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Putri Anis binti Ismail and my matrix number 2025725899. Today, I'm going to present about compromised candidate experience. So, what is compromised candidate experience? It refers to a broken or negative hiring journey where job seekers feel disregarded, confused or treated with disrespect. This frequently leads to top talent withdrawing from hiring process and damages a company's reputations, potentially reducing revenue. The challenges always come with causes of why this issue happened. One of the primary causes of compromised candidate experience is the rapid adoption of digital technologies in recruitment. The journal explains that organizations increasingly rely on AI, algorithms, and online platforms to manage hiring processes. While these tools improve efficiency, they also reduce personal interaction and create complexity. As a result, candidates may feel disconnected or confused, leading to a negative experience. The growing use of algorithmic systems in recruitment is another major cause. These systems are often used to screen resumes or evaluate interviews automatically. However, candidates may perceive this decision as unfair or inaccurate, especially when unique personal experiences are overlooked. This reliance on algorithms contributes to distrust and dissatisfaction among applicants. The use of social media and digital data for candidate evaluation also contributes to negative experience. The journal notes that cyber vetting can reveal sensitive personal information such as race, gender, or health status. This raises ethical concerns and may lead to biased judgment, causing candidates to feel their privacy is violated. Another important cause is the diversity of applicant backgrounds and expectations. Candidates from different groups may respond differently to the same recruitment methods. For example, some candidates may prefer digital tools while others may find them difficult to use. This variation makes it challenging for organizations to provide a consistent and positive experience for all. The journal suggests that overly simple application processes can reduce candidate engagement. When applying becomes too easy, candidates may not feel committed to the opportunity and are more likely to withdraw. Similarly, excessive automation removes meaningful interaction, making the process feel impersonal. This is the issue regarding compromised candidates' experience. Firstly, candidate ghosting, which also known as lack of engagement, where candidates sometimes leave the recruitment process without notice. This happens when the process feels too easy or impersonal and candidates are not emotionally engaged. When applicants do not feel connected or valued, they are more likely to withdraw silently. This weak engagement shows that the recruitment process fails to create a meaningful candidate experience. Second is perceived lack of fairness. This is where the candidates see recruitment system as unfair, which algorithms may overlook of unique experience and non-traditional career path. If candidates believe the process is biased or unfair, they develop negative perceptions of the organization. This reduces trust and decreases their willingness to continue or accept offers. The third issue is algorithmic bias and discrimination. AI systems may unintentionally favor certain groups, for example, gender bias. Candidates from minority backgrounds may feel disadvantaged. Automated systems can reinforce existing inequalities. This leads to discrimination and creates a negative experience, especially for underrepresented groups. The fourth issue is digital divide and technology barriers. Most of the candidates are uncomfortable with AI interviews, online platforms, or digital tools. Heavy use of technology can exclude certain groups like older applicants, leading to unequal and negative experience. Lack of transparency in the recruitment process is another critical challenge. Many candidates do not understand on how decisions are made, especially when algorithms and automated systems are involved. The journal explains that these opaque systems create confusion and frustration as applicants are unable to identify the reason behind their acceptance or rejection. This uncertainty reduces trust and contributes to a poor overall experience. One of the key recommendations is to ensure that recruitment processes are fair and inclusive for all candidates. The journal emphasizes that different applicant groups may react differently to selection methods, which means organizations must avoid practices that unintentionally favor certain groups over others. By designing an equitable recruitment system and considering diversity, organizations can improve perceptions of fairness, increase trust, and create a more positive candidate experience. Besides that, organizations should continuously evaluate and improve their AI and algorithm-based recruitment tools to minimize bias. The journal highlights concerns that automated systems may overlook unique applicant characteristics or reinforce discrimination. Regular audits and updates of these systems are necessary to ensure fair outcomes. By reducing bias, companies can prevent negative perceptions and ensure that candidates feel they are assessed objectively. Next is improving transparency, which is essential in addressing candidate dissatisfaction. The journal points out that many recruitment technologies operate as black boxes, leaving candidates unsure about how decisions are made. Organizations should clearly communicate how selection processes work, including the role of AI and evaluation criteria. This helps candidates understand the process, reduces uncertainty, and builds trust in the organization. Besides that, the journal recommends balancing simplicity with engagement in recruitment design. While easy application processes are convenient, they may not create strong candidate commitment. Organizations should incorporate interactive and meaningful elements that allow candidates to better understand the role and the organization. This increases engagement and reduces the likelihood of candidates withdrawing from the process. Lastly, effective communication is crucial for maintaining candidate engagement. The journal suggests that lack of feedback or updates contributes to negative reaction and disengagement. Organizations should provide timely updates, clear instructions, and constructive feedback. By doing so, candidates feel respected and informed, which enhance their overall experience even if they are not selected. In conclusion, candidate experience is a key determinant of recruitment success. Organizations must balance technology with fairness, transparency, and human interaction to avoid negative applicant reactions and ensure effective talent acquisitions. That's all from me. Thank you.